and let's click on start here. Okay. So welcome guys. So welcome guys. Yeah, the audio quality is good, I guess. Okay, today we're going to conduct a project review session, okay? And yes, you can see the name in the screen, obviously. Hold on. And suddenly the network started disrupting. Hold on, guys. I don't know what's going on in my phone. I think, okay. And yeah, guys, we are going to conduct a project review session, okay? And yes, I'll be revealing everything I know about this project, okay? And yes, as it is on Gator Startup, okay? Initial free airdrop, definitely. It will be a good one, okay? So yeah, we'll be discussing everything on it, okay? And yeah, one thing, those who don't know what is Gate.io startup or how you can actually participate, okay, and is there any option to invite and earn, okay? So yeah, definitely, I'll be discussing that too, okay? Okay, hold on. Okay, fine. Uh, I think it's okay for now. Okay, here we are. Okay, and yes, before I start the project review session, I want to talk about the post in which is published in decrypt.co. Okay, decrypt.co. So it is a sponsored post by GitHub. Okay, and you all need to see that. Okay, and yes, in case if you have any questions, I can actually provide the link in the comment section. And if you guys want that, just can you can comment, okay? And yes, we'll be reading the post. And yes, basically it is on the Gate.io's native token GTs on new all-time high position, okay? So we'll be revealing everything. And guys, make sure to comment. And if you comment, you will join to the community group of us. hours. And yeah, here you can discuss anything. Okay, so you can ask any questions related to that. Okay, related to crypto. And yes, if I'm available, I'll be answering all of that. Okay, so make sure to join. Okay, and yes, if you do comment, you will be automatically enrolled to our chat group. And if you do not, make sure to comment. Okay, and you can manually join to our chat group just from my profile. Okay, so here you will find, there you will find the join my channel button. Okay, so you can just click on it, and yeah, you can join our chat group automatically as well. Okay, so let's read that out. Okay, and here is the title. It's like Gate.io milestones propel Gate token to new all-time high in December. Okay, yes, as we have seen that Gate GT token, I guess, I mean the GT token reached its all-time highest. Okay, so yesterday it broke out the $16 zone. Okay, so that means that's not the breaking out; it is making history. By the way, so right now it is trading at $15.2. Okay, and previously yesterday it was at $16. Okay, so yeah, it is a real deal here. Okay, so something is going on with Gate token. Okay, so let's see what is going on. Okay, so you can see surging user numbers, sports sponsorships, and the platform's December reserve report have underpinned gains for its native token. Okay, so let's see. Crypto exchange Gate.io's native token Gate token hit an all-time high of 14.01 in December, per data from CoinGecko. Okay, amid surging user numbers for the platform and the release of its December reserve report. Okay, fine. And amid a wider slump in the crypto market, Git token has retreated from its all-time high to a current value of 13.07. It is according to that period of time. Okay, but currently it is trading at 15.2. Okay, so it is huge. Okay, it is huge. And the native token of Gate.io's Gate chain GD is used to pay transaction fees as well as offering benefits including VIP tier escalation and debit. Okay, trading fee debit. Okay, we all know that. And the token's rise over the past month comes amid surging user numbers on Gate.io and alongside high-profile sports sponsorship deals and December reserve report that saw the platform set industry benchmarks. Seriously, it is one of the biggest achievements. Okay, and at the start of the month, the platform released its December reserve report, revealing that its reserves had hit a record high of 9.566 billion and a reserve ratio of 123.91%. Okay, that is so huge and exceeding the 120% average level of leading industries. Okay, and Gateio's access reserves also topped 1.846 billion according to the report, increased by 68.89% to set a record high for the platform. Seriously, that is huge achievement for Gato. Okay, so congratulations and yeah, I'm still with you guys, Gato, and yeah, those who are watching, those who be are live in this stream. Okay, yes, you should be congratulate Gato. Okay, so they gave us a lot of opportunities, and yes, here you can actually basically start from the zero. Okay, you can basically start from zero in Gate.io. Okay, and yeah, after you when you get the money or when you get the investment. Okay, you get your corresponding fund for doing stuff. Yeah, or trading, whatever you prefer. Yes, you will get everything here. Okay, so here you can see. In an official AMA on December 13, Gato Chief Business Officer Kevin Lee revealed that the platform's reserve fund has exceeded 10 billion, the fourth largest globally in the sector. Lee added that the exchange is continuously enhancing its security protocols to provide a more transparent and reliable trading environment, okay, for its users during the AMA. That's so huge, okay? And days later, Gate.io surpassed 20 million registered users with a spokesperson for the platform commenting that the milestone marked its outstanding competitiveness in the global market. Okay, fine. Yes, you if you want to stay in this market, you have to play the game. Okay, definitely, and you have to be a crucial part of this game as well. So definitely, uh you will stay in this game. Okay. So if you want to stay, you need to fight as well, okay? And Gate Token's December gains have built on the platform's successes in recent months. In August, Gate.io became the official sleep sponsor of Soccer Club Internazionale Milan, okay? With its logo gracing the playing kits of the men's, women's, and under 20 teams. Okay, fine. So here we can see the official post, okay, where they actually announced the partnership with Inter Milan, okay. So here you can see official Get.io and at Inter, okay, you can see Get.io is thrilled to announce our partnership as the official sleep sponsor of FC Internazionale Milano. Let's redefine the fan experience with Web3 tech and conquer the new season together, okay? So here you can learn more from this uh, link as well, okay? So at the time, Get.io founder and CEO Dr. Lin Han said that the partnership aligns with our commitment to innovation and community engagement, adding that we are excited to bring new and exciting experiences to Inter fans around the world. The collaboration will see the partners collaborate on exclusive content, joint marketing activations, co-branded merchandise, and opportunities for fans to connect both on and off the field. Okay, fine. And Get.io remains committed to ensuring the security of user funds, strengthening its brand influence as spokesperson for the platform told Decrypt. Okay, they added that its efforts would help solidify its position as a key industry player and further reinforce its leadership in the market. Okay, fine, and we all are looking forward to it. Okay, and definitely you guys will rise. Okay, and as a streamer, I'll be definitely supporting you guys. Okay, and here you can see the disclaimer. Okay, the content herein does not constitute any offer, solicitation, or a recommendation. You should always seek independent professional advice before making any investment decisions. Okay, please be noted that Get.io may restrict or prohibit the use of all or a portion of the services from restricted locations. For more information, obviously, please the user agreement. Okay. So we'll be reading this kind of stuff frequently from now on because it is in the game. Gato has stepped in the game, okay? So that's a small introduction of this post. And yes, you guys need to know that the Gate.io's native token GT has reached its all-time highs in recent days. Okay, so it is creating histories along with the Bitcoin. Okay, so definitely it's a huge milestone. Okay, so you guys need to support, and yes, make sure to hold GT. Okay, definitely it is the future. Okay, so if you hold GT, definitely you are going to get so many bonuses. Okay, and yes, on Gato startup platform, definitely if you are holding GT, you'll be getting so many opportunities here as well. Okay, so let's go to the project review session. Okay, so let's resume that. And here you can see the name of this project. Okay, it is Tevaera. Okay, Tevaera. And Ishfaq 1133 says, should you hold or sell? It's your choice. It's up to you. And today we're doing a project review. Okay, so definitely I'll be not suggesting any market decisions. Okay, so but about this coin, you can hold. Okay, as we are doing a review thing. Okay. So here you can see some information. Okay, so their goal was to raise around 50,000 USDT, but they actually raised around 243.1 million. Okay, so that is a huge milestone for Tevaera as well. Okay, and here you can see the progress bar and the supporter count around 80,853 supporter around the world. So that is huge. Okay, so they are supporting Tevaera, and yes, that means they are actually holding this token. Okay, and here you can see some other informations. Okay, so you'll see that if you are BAP 0, if your level is at BAP 0, that means you are a non-BAP user, so definitely you will be placed in a lucky draw system. And if you are at least BAP 1, and yes, you are guaranteed to get airdrop. And yes, as it is a BAP free initial, okay, definitely you need to have a BAP level. Okay, and otherwise you'll be placed in a lucky draw system. And on top of it, you must need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot account. Okay, so as always, we start with the introduction. Okay, so here you can see the project introduction. Okay, so sorry, here you can see the project name is Tevaera. Okay, and their another token is TEVA. Okay, so TEVA. So let's see what is inside that. Okay, so Tevaera is a EVAX fast gaming ecosystem powered by the ZK stack and AI, designed to be fun and fair. With over a million soulbound gamers, Tevaera is on a community-driven mission to redefine gaming through multi-genre Web3 games powered by Teva Chain, sorry, and innovative gaming agents and a robust gaming stack. Okay, so that is a kind of short introduction for Tevera. Okay, and let's see who is the founder. Okay, so here you can see the founder is Robin Babu. Okay, and Tevera founding team is led by co-founders Robin Babu and a seasoned entrepreneur who achieved a 10x software revenue exit with Vista Equity Partners and Gabe Nagy, a former EY and Citibank professional, lifelong gamer, and Web3 strategist active since 2017. Okay, so here you can see he's the real deal. Okay, so he has a lot of experience as he is active since 2017. Okay, so yes, definitely he's the real deal. And here you can see the unlock rule for this startup. Okay, it will be 100% unlock. Okay, so no need to worry about it. And yes, here you can see the startup supply. Okay, around 333,333 TEVA. Okay, and this is the startup supply. And yes, startup purchase fee is 0 USDT. As I said earlier, it is a PAP free initial airdrop. Okay, so definitely you don't have to pay anything, but here is the thing. Okay, so you must need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot account. Okay, to participate in the lucky draw, as if you are a non-baby user. And if you're a baby user, okay, you're good to go. Okay. Let's see their highlight and vision. Okay, so here you can see Tevaera products include gaming applications. These include fun and fair games, AI-powered gaming agents, and a marketplace, and takes for trading in game NFTs and tokens. Fine. And the other thing, you can see the TEVA stack, okay, offers ready to use SDKs and APIs for multiplayer functionalities, statistics, asset management, reputation, and social integration. And other than that, there is Teva Chain, a gaming elastic chain built on the CK stack, featuring native interoperability, account abstraction, uh, and the Validum mode data availability, making it one of the fastest, most cost-effective, and integrated gaming chains in the Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, so yes, there are so much promising stuff in it. Okay, so here's the token economics. You'll be wondering what is the token economics. Here is it. Okay, so let's see. Teva chain will use Teva, I mean TEVA, okay, for gas fees and stacking to power the gaming stack. Okay, so Teva as base token for Teva DAX, which will enable a bridge for all locked in-game assets. This will increase the purchasing power of Teva token over time without making it extractive. Okay, fine, yes. And Teva as a paymaster in Teva market and on Tevaera platform. Okay, so enable play and earn economy through a sports model. Okay, so tournaments, pool play, host play with friends, and other game modes in adventure games. These modes will have entry fees in Teva. Okay, and transaction fees that will be burned. Fine, and fosters social well-being through incentivized social circles and clans to support organic user growth and competition. Fine. As well, governance and voting. Okay, that is the thing. So if you're holding Teva token, definitely you will be participating. You can actually participate in governance and voting section of their company. Okay, so 25% of our revenue will be used to burn the fixed supply of Teva tokens. Fine. And here is the technical overview. Okay, so here you can see Tevaera is built on the ZK stack, delivering a high performance gaming ecosystem with seamless scalability and interoperability. Teva chain, elastic ZK chain, integrates advanced features like account abstraction and validity mode data availability, ensuring low fees and high efficiency. Game developers benefits from plug-and-play SDKs and APIs for easy integration with Unity and Unreal Engine. Okay, so you guys are known to Unity and Unreal Engine, I guess, and gamers enjoy a Web 2 like experience with Web 3 sovereignty, featuring social logins, NFT marketplaces, and decentralized exchanges for in-game tokens. Fine. And here is the token allocation. Okay, so yes, those who are participating in this startup, definitely you guys are wondering what is the token allocation from Tevaera. So here is it. You can see for seed round it is 14%. Okay, and 4% of it will unlock at TGE and 3 months clip, then linear vesting over 24 months. Okay, and for private round it is 5%. Okay, and 8% will unlock during TGE and 3 months clip, then linear vesting over 24 months. Okay, and community edo 1%, TG unlock 10%, 3 months clip, then linear vesting over 12 months again. And for nodes they kept around 10% and 0% unlock at TGE, 6 months clip, then linear vesting over 36 months. So obviously these are the linear vestings. And community airdrop 5% and TGE fully unlocked. Okay, so those who are getting the airdrop, definitely it will be full unlocked. Okay, and ecosystem and growth 36%, 0% unlock at TGE 6 months clip, then linear vesting over 48 months. Team for the team and advisors it is 18%. Okay, and 0% unlock at TGE 12 months clip, then linear vesting over 48 months. Okay, fine. And for foundation they kept around 7.5%, and at TGE only zero nothing will unlock. Okay, 3 months clip unlock, then linear vesting of 12 months. And yeah, they kept around 3.5% for liquidity. Okay, so TGE fully unlocked. So yes, this thing is necessary. Okay, to to strengthen the power of that token. Okay. Okay, so then we need to know actually what is get a startup. Okay, so yes, this is just for the beginners, those who are new at this, and who joined Gate.io recently. So you guys may be wondering what is the startup thing and what I am bubbling about. Okay, so definitely there will be the answer. Okay, so here you can see the startup facts section. We're here, and we will be revealing everything related to Gate.io startup. Okay, so here you can see what is startup. Okay, so Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, participate in startup subscription, and receive token airdrops. Startup acquires tokens to users based on a share system. Okay, eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you will receive. And yes, your and they did not mention, and later on they will actually mention, but I'm adding that if your VIP level is higher, your shares count will be higher as well. So as your shares will be rising, definitely you'll be getting more tokens. Okay, so here you can see about VIP free airdrop. Okay, so how can I be eligible to participate in startup? This is the basic question, I guess. So here is the answer. All users participating in startup subscription are required to complete KYC2 verification. That means you must need to complete the KYC2 verification. And yes, definitely, as I said earlier, you need to hold a balance of spot assets with not less than 10 USD. So that is one of the requirements. Okay, you need to maintain. So how many shares can I place? You can see. So as I said earlier, if you guys are in a non-VIP user, that means your VIP level is 0. Definitely you will be placed in a lucky draw. And as you are holding 10 USD, and if you are not holding 10 USD, you will not be placed in lucky draw as well. Okay, so to be part of the lucky draw system, definitely you need to hold 10 USD as well. Okay, and from baby one you are getting guaranteed shares. Okay, so from baby one it is 20 shares, baby 2 40 shares. That's how the things goes on. And from baby 10 to baby 16 you'll be getting around 8,000 shares, and that is huge. Okay, definitely that is huge. So make sure to upgrade your baby levels. Okay, and I'm looking forward to it. So here you can see how many tokens can I receive. There's a formula. Okay, so tokens received equals to shares subscribed multiplied by tokens per share multiplied by distribution ratio. Okay, fine. So here's the example. Like if you subscribe for 5 shares and tokens per share is 1000, while the distribution ratio of startup is 0.001, so you can receive like around 10 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 0.001 equals to what? 10 tokens. So definitely you are getting only 10 tokens, even though your uh, share count is even though you have subscribed for only 5 shares. Okay, I don't know, they mentioned 5 shares, but they actually did the math with only 10. So it will be 5, I guess it will be 5. So I guess they actually mistaken mistaken. Okay, they have mistaken that. So let's just forget them. They had a lot of things to do. So this kind of things happen. Okay, so do I need to pay for the startup subscription? Are there any trading fees charged? No, the answer is no. So if I have subscribed, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? And yeah, if you are a VIP user, definitely you are guaranteed to get the tokens. But if you are a non-VIP user, you will be placed in a lucky draw system and there will be random selection. Okay, so if you are lucky enough, you can get. And is the startup participation on a first come first serve basis? No, definitely not. It is actually they actually treat everyone equally. And do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? No. The answer is no. And how many times can I participate in startup? Yeah. For a single startup, you can only participate once, but you can actually participate multiple startups at the same time. That is one of the amazing thing here. Okay. So when will I get startup tokens? Before the trading starts. Okay, so before the launch, definitely you will be getting your tokens in your spot balance, either your spot balance or the simple earn section. Okay, so make sure to check both. Okay, and if my baby level is upgraded after subscription, will I receive more airdrops? Here's the answer. If the baby level increases, the subscription shares at the time of subscription will be used for calculations. So it's pretty clear here that the answer is no. Okay, so can I change my subscription shares? As your VIP users have the maximum guaranteed shares. Okay, so but if you are purchasing startup vouchers, so definitely uh, you can change the shares. Okay, with the startup vouchers. So how much airdrop can non-VIP users receive when participating in startup? So there is no limitation. Okay, so they will have a portion to reward the non-VIP users with the system of a lucky draw. Okay, so if you are participating in lucky draw system, definitely you must need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot account so that you can actually participate. And gate user says good morning buddy. And here in our country it is afternoon right now. Okay, and where are we at? Okay, we're here. So make sure to check the purchase history that you are eligible or you have owned the lucky draw or not. Okay, so you'll find everything on the purchase history section. Okay, so can non-baby users use startup vouchers to participate in startup? Yes, definitely. Can non-baby users participate in startup airdrop multiple times? As I said earlier, you can participate in multiple startups at the same time. Okay, so definitely the answer will be yes. Okay, so there are other startup programs. Okay, will not be discussing broadly on them. Okay, so uh, because we are focusing on this Tevaera, so as it is initial free airdrop, so it only falls under VIP free airdrop. Okay, so there are other startup projects like you'll find like GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, then you will find pre-order. Okay, so you can basically on pre-order you can pre-order this project tokens, and yes, later you can sell or you can hold whatever you want to do. And yes, there is a requirement like you must need to be at least VIP 3 level. Okay, so the level of your VIP level should be at 3. And yes, your GT holding, there will be GT holding requirement. Okay, so for VIP 3 and the GT holding requirement is 100 GT and it increases time to time. Okay, as your PAP level increases. And for GT holder exclusive, it is pretty simple that you must need to hold GT token, get token, and yes, based on your GT holding, you'll be getting corresponding airdrops. Okay, so that's how things work here. Okay, and lastly, I'll be talking about the startup prime. Okay, so it is a premium service on startup, okay, gateway startup. So yes, you need to pay for that, like the pre-order. So the purchase amount is here. The I guess the purchase amount will be higher than the pre-order, I guess. So as it is a startup prime, so they mentioned it twice here. Okay, so here you can see, like, if you are a non-VIP user, you can actually purchase around 5 shares. Okay, so this thing, and later everything is similar to the VIP free airdrop. Okay, so for VIP one, available shares are 20, so you can actually purchase 20 shares if you are at VIP one. And yes, there is no cancellation options for startup prime. So if you have participated, so definitely you need to continue the participation. Okay, so you cannot leave that in the middle of the road. Okay, so that's the startup facts section. Okay, so that's how you actually, that's what startup means. Okay, in GitHub. So this is basically a project to reward the Gate.io users. Okay, so yes, make sure to participate. Definitely, you'll be getting benefits. And here in this section, we'll be discussing how to participate in Gate.io startup. Okay, and before we start, I need to do things. Just hold on. Okay, I think that is fine. So here you can see easy steps to participate in startup. Okay, so here's the tutorial, and I'm not playing that because the visual representation later it will be much more helpful. Okay, so here you can see general startup airdrop. You can see for general startup airdrop the steps are like so easy. Okay, you can see log into your GitHub account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USD in spot assets, just click on zero free to claim. That's it. And for GT holder exclusive airdrop, just log into your GitHub account, same as the VIP pre airdrop. You can see. So just go to the startup page, hold at least 10 GT. Okay, so and yeah, just click on hold GT and claim free. That's it. That's so simple steps. Okay, so just you basically just click on that startup. Okay, so then you will find this one. Okay, so let's open that. Here you can see it is the startup page. Okay, so you'll find this like that. Okay, so these are the GT holder exclusive. Just click on that whole GT and claim free. Yes, you are good to go. And yes, there are several steps, so let's discuss that. So make sure to click on that and you'll find at the startup option, and the logo is airdrop logo. Okay, so here you can find that. Okay, so just click on zero free to claim and you'll be seeing that page. Okay, so on that, just tick on it. Just like I have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. So if you do not tick on it, you will not find the claim now option. Okay, so definitely tick on it and you'll find the claim now option. And yes, obviously you need to read that. Okay, you need to read the subscription agreement. And yes, as I believe and as I support GitHub, okay, definitely uh, I believe that, and I will not. I actually avoid reading that because, and it is kind of hassle to me as well. So there are long pages of details. I just avoid that. Okay. So you guys need to read that. Okay, to clarify things. Okay. So then you can click claim now, and here you can see the GT holder exclusive. So you'll find this option, hold GT and claim now, as we have seen. Okay. So here you can see hold GT and claim free. Okay, so the option is same, and yes, you need to tick that as well, and you can even click on claim now then. Okay, and yes, on app users, those who are using app, definitely go to the finance section from your profile. Okay, so you'll find the startup. Okay, so the logo is same as the web. Okay, so just click on the claim free airdrop and you'll find zero free to claim. Just click on it, and yes, obviously make sure you have read and agreed to the subscription agreement, then click on claim now. And it is the same process for GT holder exclusive airdrop as well. So make sure you have read and agreed to the subscription agreement and tick on it, and then you can click on claim now button. Okay, and yes, you can see all the results in the subscription history. Okay, so make sure to check it every time you participate in startup projects. Okay, and these are the added features like claim all. Okay, so this is one of the most useful features. Okay, so I use it frequently, and uh, I'm going to show you that live. Okay, so you can see here is the claim all option. So basically it does what? It actually claims all the available startup projects for you just in one click. Okay, so you don't have to click each project multiple individually. So yes, your workload will be less than. So definitely I'm clicking right now. So here you can see I'm just clicking here, and you can see this subscribe successful, like project ESCC and RBNT. So I don't have to click both of them individually. So that's it. That's how the claim all feature works. Okay, so here and another thing you can see, and on phone you will find the claim all button as well. Okay, so make sure to use that. Okay, so it is one of the helpful functions. And auto convert to GT. Okay, so it is also one of the best features. Okay, I found on GitHub. Okay, so basically you can use that just by clicking on more, and you'll find that auto convert to GT option. Okay, so just click on it. Yeah, this thing will do what, if you are participating in several startup projects. Okay, so you will see that there are launching times. Okay, before the listing time you'll get the tokens. Definitely you'll be getting the tokens, but what happens after the listing, or after the launch, during the launch, what happens? The price drops. Okay, because of a huge selling pressure, the price drops. So what can you do in this kind of situation? So you will do what? You will follow the trend. So most of the time it happens like you get some loss, or you fail to sell the token at your desired price. So what you can do, you can turn on this option, and it will do what? It will actually convert your earned startup tokens into GT token. So during the launch, so you don't have to worry about selling that manually. So obviously you can actually earn GT token as well. So, and later on you can actually stack GT tokens and earn more. So basically it is a win-win situation. So make sure to turn on that auto convert to GT option, and yes, you will not regret that. Definitely you will not regret that, and I promise that. Okay, because I know the benefit of this option. Okay, so here you can actually this is the details how you can actually participate on GitHub startup. Okay, so let's go to the official announcement from GitHub on Tevaera. Okay, so here you can see GitHub startup initial free offering 3,333,333 TEVA free of charge. Okay, fine. So there are a lot of coins, and here are some details, and you can see three easy steps. Okay, so this is discussed earlier as well. So let's see. Log into your GitHub account, complete KYC to verification, hold a no less than 10 USD on spot asset, and click zero free to claim. That's it. Okay, so this is so easy. And later you can see Tevaera startup participation rules. So that is also important. Okay, so you can see duration is 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. 20, December 25th to 10 a.m. December 27th. Okay, and orders placed by qualified users within the subscription period will be treated equally. So that is one of the good thing of Gita. Okay, and trading start time is 14 p.m. December 27th. Okay, and trading pair is TEVA USDT. Okay, so make sure to uh, mark it. Okay, TEVA USDT. And fundraising goal was around 50,000 USD, but they actually raised how much? They actually raised around 243.1 million USDT. So that is so huge, okay? And you can see the startup supply 3,000 and 3 million and 333,333 TEVA, okay? Now unlock rule is 100% unlock, and participation requirements are pretty simple. Just complete your KYC 2 verification and obviously hold at least 10 USD of spot asset balance. Okay, and startup participation rules are pretty simple. Okay, so the higher the baby level, the more tokens you are getting. Okay, and non-baby users can join the lucky draw as we said earlier. Okay, and the user's baby level will be checked when the tokens are distributed. Fine, it is also discussed, and announcement results are before the launch. Okay, so I'll be getting, if you have won the lucky draw or if you have participated and you are getting guaranteed shares, definitely you'll be getting the tokens in your spot assets before the launch. Okay, so that you can actually make useful to it. Okay, and there is a thing. Okay, so you need to read that obviously. Okay, so this is one of the most important thing. Okay, so the multiple accounts with the same KYC information when claiming startup shares will be deemed as cheating behavior. Okay, so and any cheating behavior is prohibited. In case of cheating, Gateway reserves the right to disqualify the users involved and forfeit their rewards. Okay, so definitely avoid cheating. Okay, so they have your IP address, they have your phone information. Definitely do not do anything uh, anything like that. Okay, so they will catch you, and definitely you will be is disqualified, and yes, it will have the impact in further startup projects as well. So make sure to avoid this kind of stuff. Okay, and you can learn more about baby levels. We will be learning that. Okay, we'll be seeing that page again. Okay, and the tutorial we have finished here. Okay, how you can actually participate, and here is the project information. Okay, so the information below is provided by Tevaera team. Okay, please follow the website for more information. Okay, so obviously we'll be following the website. Okay, we'll find out what is going on in Tevaera. Okay, so brief introduction about the project. Okay, so you can see Tevaera is a UX fast gaming ecosystem powered by the ZK stack and AI, designed to be fun and fair. With over a million soulbound gamers, Tevaera is on a community-driven mission to redefine gaming through multi-genre web games powered by Teva Chain. Okay, innovative gaming agents and robust gaming stack. Fine, and these are the more details. Okay, you can see token name is Tevaera, token symbol is Teva, and maximum supply is 4 billion. Okay, so the maximum token supply will be 4 billion, and token type is zk sync. Okay, so let's see the token contract. Okay, so just we will be clicking the website. So here you can, okay, and transactions are only 71. So this smart contract doesn't have any balances yet. Okay, so as it is not launched yet. Okay, and here are the transactions you will find. Okay, so it will update very soon because they will launch uh, after a few hours. Okay, And so we have read that token distribution and unlock rule at the introduction page at first. Okay, so here is the website. Okay, so we need to visit that website as well. And okay, I'm not signing in even though I have account. And here is the white paper. Okay, we need to read that as well because white paper is important. White paper is important. So you can see redefining the website is quite good. Okay, it looks good. You can see the orientation is so good. And yes, if you have participated, you can claim your token from here. Okay, TEVA token. And redefining gaming experience the experience the next era of Web3 games powered by ZK Stack. Engage with multi-genre games on a one-stop platform. Okay, fine, and click on play if you want to play games. Okay, and you can see soulbound gamers are around 943,315, and utility NFTs are around 2.7 million. Okay, so Tevaera run sessions are 30 millions, and AA transactions are 191,453. Okay, and you can just play on Tevaera just by clicking on let's go. So these are the simple steps. Okay, so Teva games, Teva decks, Teva market. Okay, so you can play on, you can trade your token on Teva decks, and Teva market. You can actually buy or sell NFTs, obviously at low cost. Buy them at low cost. So build with Tevaera. So yes, build the next viral game on Tevaera. So if you are a developer, yes, you can contact with them. If you want to launch, yes, contact with them. Best of luck. Here we can see the features: seamless, gasless, trustless. Okay, yeah. So create a developer account. Okay, so as I said earlier, if you're a developer, you can contact, or you can actually basically create a developer account, build using game changing tools. Okay, so there are a lot of tools, so use them and develop your game. Okay, and later you can submit your project. Okay, these are the featured games. Okay, you can play on right now: multiplayer racing games, social and deduction game. These are the games here. So backed by the visionaries. Okay, so those who are supporting Tevaera. Okay, so you can see Laser Digital, Hashkey, Metal Labs, Penbushi, so on. Okay, Eco is also supporting. Okay, so meet the team. So this is the team, and the Teva token. So one token Teva to power the Tevaera gaming ecosystem. Discover a new era of utility and community-driven token design. Okay, so security, economy, governance, liquidity. So these are the four key things they will conduct. Okay, and yes, you can join the missions, and yes, here are the information, like community members are around 1 million plus, multilingual communities around 19 plus, countries are 110 plus. Okay, so and table stars are around 100 plus. So these are their stats. Okay, and these are the latest news you can read on. Okay, I'm not reading that right now. And these are the contacts, social contacts, legal contacts. You can just contact with them if you need the support. Okay, and this is the white paper. Okay, so we need to read that because white paper is important. And if we do not read a white paper, or if we do not have a white paper of any project, we cannot trust it from our soul. Okay, so let's read out white paper, just the key points we need to know. Okay, so it's the basic introduction. Okay, introducing Tevaera. Okay, so Tevaera's three-level gaming framework offers innovative products to unlock the next era of Web3 games for both developers and gamers. Okay, so you can see gaming applications, Teva Stack, Teva Chain, as we have discussed earlier. So this is basically their key stuff. Okay, so later on there is a short overview. Okay, you can find. So the Teva gaming ecosystem is powered by an elastic gaming chain built using GK Stack with native AA feature and Volition mode DA for enabling one of the fastest and cheapest gaming chains on Ethereum. Okay, and the Teva Stack layer provides unique game development tools, including turnkey SDKs, APIs for multiplayer features, assets, revolution, and social onboarding for Unity and Unreal Engine based games. Okay, and together these layers power the consumer gaming apps and agents, providing gamers with a non-stop Web3 gaming experience. That's it. And these are the Teva games and apps. Okay, so in-house development, collaborations, you'll find everything. Okay, so if you're interested, you can read that. And here is the thing, Teva market. Okay, so yes, it is one of the best features from Tevaera. Okay, so here you can see the key features are like AA powered marketplace and ONFTs bridging to leading L2 chains. Fine enough. So you can just try it, and this is the market link. Okay, just go to tevaera.com/marketplace, and then it comes the Teva DEX. Okay, so these are the key features from Teva DEX. It is like decentralized exchange, definitely. So automated market maker, safe and permissionless. Teva DEX will provide liquidity for the Teva and KP pair for creating a sustainable in-game economy. Okay, so yes, that is huge as well. So two token economic model. These are like in-game token Karma and platform token Teva. So these are the two tokens. Okay. Later on we have the CK. Teva stack. Okay. So you can basically stake. So accessories are like ERC721, ERC1155, and in-game tokens are ERC20. So these are the small details. Okay, and why ZK stack? So yeah, and these advantages bring several advantages to Teva chain. Okay, so customization, user experience, innovative transaction-free models, decentralized sequencer, flexible data availability options, commitment to low fees. That's it. And Teva stake for game developers. Yes, as I said earlier, those who are the developers, you guys can contract with them because there are so much opportunity in it. Okay, so SDKs and REST API, plug and play development, so both are available. These are the developer console features. Okay, multiple NFT token contract configuration and deployment, multiplayer gaming protocol. Okay, so marketplace launchpad, analytics. So these are the features. Okay, and here is a Teva chain. Okay, so a gaming elastic chain. These are the Teva chain key highlights like native account abstraction, ZK accounts, state differences, shared sequencer data availability, interoperability. That is one of the most important thing. Okay, what's a GK chain? Okay, so yes, GK chains offer unmatched UX with secure one-stop onboarding via Face ID passkeys, eliminating the need to seed phrases and reducing the risk of hacks. Okay, so that is complete security, I'll be saying. Okay, that is complete security. and TEVA chain architecture. So designed to be modular and the gaming focus change. TEVA chain's design choices are still being finalized with ongoing ZK stack upgrades. Okay, that's fine. So note this section will be further updated in December. Okay, so I guess they have already updated it. And these are the games. Okay, you can find it. So Web3 P2E games, play to earn games, I guess, and new era of gaming. So they say. So key features of Web3 P2E games like play to earn, blockchain integration, community driven development. So these are the things: interoperability, true assets, ownership, enhanced security, and transparency. Fine. So reputation score. So there will be reputation score. Okay. So make sure your score is good enough. Okay. And Tevaera reputation score dynamically tracks and measures Teva's engagement and holdings across Tevaera gaming ecosystem. Okay. So these are bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, OG, guardian, etc. Okay. Representation score, weightage, and formula. There will be formula. Okay. So make sure to read that. And these are the games. Like first one is Teva Run. Okay. It is a play to earn multiplayer racing action. So here is a small trailer. I'm not playing it. Okay. Because I have restrictions as well. Okay. So here's a guide how to play, how you can play, quick play, pool play, host play. So you can choose whatever you want. So there are a lot of options. So you can see these are the maps. Okay, jungle, snow, desert, beach, space. So yeah, lots of options. So there are power ups as well. Okay, FOMO boost, moon rocket, shield, rack pull, scam punch, wreck blade, liquidation, so on. Okay, a world of unique characters. These are the characters. Okay, so the seven Tevaera guardians are like Rainformist, Sphinx, Magical Phoenix, Nomadic, Influential Owl, Balanced Dragon, Simplifier Kraken, Innovative Unicorn. Okay, and the ZK Sing mascot, so Zig the cat, and character equistration are like you can see. So these are the features. Okay, so quest and rewards, and you will find social features. Okay, customizations are also available. So then comes the next game. It is Wild Whispers. Okay, it is coming soon. Okay, so the platforms are Android and iOS. Okay, showcase beta version. So the beta version is already launched, but it is only available in Japan. Okay, and gate user, welcome to the streams. Welcome to the stream. And this is a short introduction on gameplay. Okay, so there will be guardians and imposters. Okay, and there are several steps like task completion, imposter sabotage, social deduction, voting. So everything will be there. Okay, and on-chain mechanics are fair and transparent game. Okay, session wallet, zero knowledge proof. Okay, benefits of on-chain mechanics. So these are the thing, and there are the scoring system is like that: character entities and special spells. So Zeke, Nomadic Yeti, Magical Phoenix, Reformist Sphinx, Balance of Dragon, Simplified Kraken, Innovative Unicorn, Influential Owl. So you'll be getting NFTs. Okay, these are the sneak peek. You can read this stuff if you want. Okay, and the next game is Davy Treat. Okay, fine. You can get the idea just by looking at the name. It will be giving you treats. Okay, so here is a short description how you can actually play that game. And feed Tevi 3x daily. Okay, so you need to feed that Tevi. So you'll find Tevi tickets. Okay, so and you can feed that Tevi. Okay, so So one will be Teva tickets, then you will find golden tickets, and then you will see karma tokens. and at D it is like CK tokens. So these are the staff and daily double pop. Okay, so collect around 100 TEVA tickets every day by popping the ticket bubbles. Okay, it's so easy. Earn more the TEVA tickets. So yes, there is a referral option. So refer as much as you want. Okay, and yes, based on your referrals, you'll be getting rewards. And I guess it is expired. Okay, hold on, buddy. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. I didn't know that it expired. So here you will find the marketplace and DEX. Okay, so it is a short introduction of the marketplace, and you'll find you can at the marketplace you can actually sell, buy, sell NFTs and other stuff so easily. Okay, so it will help you to grow in the game. Okay, and these are the marketplace features. Okay, so paymasters, bulk NFT transactions, optimized smart contracts, cross-chain compatibility, gasless transactions, low marketplace fees, etc. And on DEX platform, it is a decentralized exchange, obviously, so you can actually swap your tokens for other token, etc. So these are the DEX features: seamless currency exchange, fast and cost-effective transactions, enhanced gaming incentives. Okay, and later you will find the developer folder. So on the developer folder, it is a developer. They mentioned this thing as developer portal. Okay, and these are their features: empowering developers. So simple three steps are like create, consult, and publish. Okay. So first, you need to create a developer account to participate on it, and yes, consult, have some consultation with them, and get the ideas. And later, you can actually publish your game. Okay. And obviously, there will be a lot of testing phases. Okay. And you guys can join. There is a link. Okay. So introducing TEVA. Okay. So the ticker is TEVA token. Okay. So, so reward those who create value for the gaming ecosystem rather than extract or transfer value. So, example is like Tevans with the rep score, Teva guards, game developers, etc. So, enable sustainable, decentralized governance. Okay, that's it. And you can see the token contract address. We have visited this address earlier. And these are the token metrics. Okay, so we have discussed it earlier as well. Okay, and it is the token distribution. Okay, so we also read that earlier as well on the on our first introduction page. And these are the token utilities. Okay, so you can actually use them in these cases, like for gas fees, play and earned, paymasters, governance. Okay, that's it. And this is about the Teva airdrop. Okay, fine. So these are the details on Tevaera airdrop and transparent framework. Okay, fine. And a new era of transparency at Tevaera, we believe fun and fair should guide every step of Web3. Fine. Yes, that is the motto you want. Okay, and guide. These are the guiding principles. Okay, so fairness and equity, transparency, inclusivity, simplicity, winning together. That's it. And these are the key considerations and rules. Okay, full unlock at launch, incentive program for holders, no caps, minimum qualification, SYBI, SYB accounts, snapshot timelines, etc. Okay, and this is the framework process: public snapshot, transparent criteria, community discussion. Okay, and yes, those who are the holders will can vote here. Okay, so you have that governance power. Final adjustments and approval, token matrix, publication, etc. And this is the airdrop criteria. Okay, so your rep score should be 3 is to 1 of your TEVA holdings. Okay, and karma points should be 1 is to 1. And there will be boosters, magical phonics, NFT holders, Tevi treat players. Okay, so they will be getting the airdrop. And civil filtering, like, okay, for game overlap detected through in-game tracking, name will be farming accounts with similar names. So karma accounts that brought karma via smart contract but never logged into Tevaera. Okay, on-chain connections between wallets revealed via on-chain tracking tools and community. Thanks, owner. And pool play is like karma consolidated through pool play to boost repetition scores. Okay, that's it. And these are the facts. Okay, who is eligible for TEVA drop? And yes, you can find those answers just by clicking that. Okay, I'm just getting the idea, the visibility of this project. Okay, and yes, you need to read the details, deep details, just by yourself. Okay, but I only can show you whether it is a reliable one or not. Okay, and so this is the governance process. Okay, so what is Tevaera TAO? So they have a DAO. Okay, so general DAO participations guidelines. So these are the guidelines, and these are Tevaera improvement proposals. Okay, so they actually these tips are including like motivation, specification, rationale, security considerations. So everything will be considered here. Okay, later is governance smart contract. Okay, so there will be token contract, governor contract, and time lock contract. Okay, and voting and delegation. Okay, it is also available. Token delegation, how delegation works. So everything is written detailed here. Okay, so you just read to that page and I refer to this. Okay, so voting on active proposals, so visit this link and check out active proposals and click on those in which you want to participate. That's it. And these are the resources. Okay, so these are the official links and these are the contract addresses. Just make sure to visit. And risk and disclaimers, these are okay. So that's it, we completed the white paper thoroughly. Okay, and yes, I missed, I can actually skip so my detailed stuff. Okay, so this thing you need to do that by yourself. Okay, and other than that we have discussed or we have read everything we got to know. Okay, and let's go to the official page again, official announcement. And here you can see Gateway Labs private sale participating disclosure. Gateway Labs has not invested in Tevaera. Okay, so you need to know that. And on the attention section, with that we found that like please be noted that we may restrict or prohibit the use of all or a portion of the services including the participation in this event, game or competition from restricted locations including but not limited to not limited to the United Kingdom, United States of America, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Lithuania, Malaysia, Malta, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Sudan, Syria, Crimea region, Spain, Luhansk, Donetsk, Netherlands, Bolivia, and so on. My goodness, there are a lot of countries. And we may, sole and absolute discretion elect to make the services or only part of the services available in certain jurisdictions. Okay. So obviously, for more information, just read the user agreement. Okay. For the restricted locations. So if you are under in this restricted locations, make sure to contact with them. Okay. So these are the risk warnings. Okay. So the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its startup sale price. Okay. So obviously, please invest at your own risk. Okay. And obviously, my suggestion will be, and they also mentioned that don't invest beyond your financial capacity. So if you think you cannot afford to lose a certain amount of money, don't invest that. Okay. So invest when you can actually afford to lose that. So the startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Okay, so make sure to be aware of that. And advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investment. Okay, so the market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. Okay, so uh, yeah, the users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or gate. Okay, and these are the requirements. Okay, so the participant should register on GitHub and log in. After logging in, complete the user identity verification. That means you need to complete the KYC to verification and deposit a certain amount of cryptocurrencies in the game GitHub account and sign the purchase agreement and on startup before placing orders. That's it. That's so simple steps. Okay, and yeah, these are the startup new rules. Okay, so these are the updated rules for GitHub startup. Okay, so you can see startup rule updates, easier to claim a drop. Okay, so these are the main updates in startup participation rules for VIP users. Okay, you can see for airdrop projects after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore. Okay, before token distribution. And users who upgrade to VIP levels by holding assets will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution, nothing else. Okay, so these are so simple. You can see all non-VIP users with spot assets not less than $10 can enter the startup page and claim startup airdrops for free, as I said earlier. Okay, so and those are who are the non-VIP users will be placed in a lucky draw system, and obviously you need to make sure that you are holding at least 10 USD in your spot balance. Okay, and yes, you can check the results in subscription history. Okay, and for airdrop projects, sufficient balance is not required anymore. Okay, before token distribution. Okay, and no VIP users who non-VIP users who use startup vouchers to join the subscription will have their voucher benefits prioritized. Okay, so i'll be um, I'll be showing that how you can actually get startup vouchers so easily just by inviting your friends and family. Okay, so we are moving to that phase as well. Okay, so note that the previous rule where non-VIP users were guaranteed to receive 3 shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in this upgrade. Okay, after the upgrade, non-VIP users with spot assets of not no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. That's it. And all existing subscription share rules for VIP users remain unchanged. Okay, and non-VIP users, okay, obviously placed in a lucky draw. And new rules take effect from August 25th, and right now it is December, so obviously it is applicable right now. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. So wherein discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Nothing more, nothing less. Get our results all the rise to the final explanation. That's it in the start of new rules. Okay, and this is the PAP allocations. Okay, so you need to read that as well. Okay, so for BAP free airdrop previously those who are VIP 0, that means those who are non-VIP users, also placed in a lucky draw. And after the update, they are also being placed in a lucky draw as well. But from VIP 1, previously the allocated shares were only 10, but after the update it is 20. So this thing is getting updated frequently, and at maximum, like from VIP 10 to VIP 16, previously the allocated shares were only around 1500, but after the update it is 8000. That is huge. Okay, the change is huge. You can get the idea, okay, easily. So make sure to update your baby levels, okay. And these are the updated allocated shares for Prime, okay. So you can actually purchase around 5 shares if you're a non-baby user, and the other requirement for the baby users are same as baby free airdrop as well, okay. And on the pre-order you can see that obviously you must need to, your BAP level should be at BAP 3, and yes, your minimum GT holding should be 100 GT, so that you can actually pre-order around 100 shares, okay. So and the maximum share you can pre-order is around 8000 shares, and your requirement will be your holding should be around 1500 GT, okay. That is huge, I guess. And yes, your BAP level should be at in between 10 to 16. That's it. And here you can see that the updated allocated shares of different baby levels will be applicable to all startup projects that start subscription after July 12th, okay, 2024. So definitely right now it is applicable, okay. So you don't have to worry about that. So these are the details, okay. Gateway reserves all rights to the final explanation. So the event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Okay. So users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in this event, game, or competition. Okay. So obviously see the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. And yes, yeah, now we are here. Okay. So yes, that is the thing, okay. So on our project we're back to the project as well, okay. So here you can see an option like invite and earn more, okay. So if you click on it, what will happen, you will be redirected to that page, okay. So what does that page mean? You can see startup referral carnival, okay. So I guess you are getting the idea that you can actually earn through referring your friends, okay. So make sure to get your own link just by clicking on invite now, and you'll find your own link. Just copy that or share the QR code to your friends and family. And if you are an influencer, definitely share it with your followers as well. And yes, if they join, if your invitee gets required trading volume, meets the required trading volume, yes, definitely you are getting stars, okay. And what is the use of stars? Yes, you can actually swap these stars for shares, VIP free shares, and you can use these for startup projects. And yeah, the more stars you are getting, the more shares you can actually afford. And yes, you can use those shares to participate on a startup project. Even though you are a non-KP user, you can actually use startup shares. So these are the pretty three simple steps: invite friends, earn stars, and swap stars for shares. So make sure to invite more, okay. So here is a small facts, okay. So what is startup star? Okay, startup star is an exclusive reward for startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop, okay. So on only VIP free airdrop, not prime, not pre-order or GT order exclusive, nothing. So every 10 shares can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars to swap shares for a project. So for a project, um, you can swap around 40,000 stars at maximum. Okay. So how to earn startup stars? So obviously invite, okay. So yes, your invite is trading volume will be calculated through this formula, okay. So trading volume equals to spot volume plus futures volume, 40% of futures volume. So yeah, that's how they calculate. Okay, and how to swap startup stars, okay. So every 10 stars can swap one share of baby free airdrop. So just click on that swap now and you will be redirected to that page, okay. So and then you can actually let's say you are joining to this project, just click on it and swap your shares. Okay, swap your stars for shares. So can I receive startup stars every day? Yes, obviously. If you invite every day, definitely you can receive. So can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup stars swapping shares? Definitely. Is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid. How many startup stars can I receive? Okay, there's a formula. Okay, so yes, if you're trading, if your invited trading volume is less than 1,000, so you'll be getting 0 stars. But if your invited trading volume is greater than 1,000, okay, so from then you can actually get stars. Okay, so here is the criteria. And yes, if your invited trading volume is one greater than 1.6 million, definitely you are getting 6,000 stars. Okay, that is huge. Okay, and yes, if you divide it by 10, you are getting 600 shares. Okay, so yes, 600 shares are huge. Okay, so you can swap, you can actually place order of 600 shares on a VIP free airdrop easily. So that's it on the startup referral carnival. Okay, so just get your own link just by clicking on invite now and copy that, or share the QR code with your friends and family and your followers. Okay, that's it. And yeah, on the startup page we'll be finding this ongoing events. Okay, so these are the in progress. Okay, and the ongoing startup projects are like Meowcat, Lofi, Towcat, Cat Gold Miner, Tevaera. Okay, and EOS stablecoin, Red Belly. These are the ongoing startup projects you can participate on. So make sure you are eligible or not, and yes, you can participate on it. And on the other hand, there is startup mining. Okay, this is one of the best features in Gate.io startup. Okay, so it is so simple. So you can see that there are three options for this coin OL. Okay, so here you can do what? So here you'll see three pools like GT pool, BTC pool, Get token pool, I mean Bitcoin pool, and OL pool. So you can stake your coins there. Okay, so if you let's say you are staking GT here. Okay, so if you click on stake, and you will able to stake your GT tokens. And what happens? Uh, this GT token will be staked, and yes, based on your stacking, you'll be getting OL tokens in reward. Okay, as reward, and it is on the basis of hourly. Okay, it is based on our hourly reward system. Okay, and yes, if you are staking Bitcoin, yes, you will also get corresponding OL coins, and you can also stack OL coin itself, and yes, can get more OLs instead. Okay, so this is the basic stuff. Okay, and there is a thing single coin multi mining. Okay, so yes, you can stack the same amount of GT on multiple projects. Okay, so that's it, and this is a small introduction on startup mining. So it is one of the most useful startup mining and earning more. And and here is the startup task. Okay, so here we can find these are the easiest tasks I'll be saying. Okay, so let's go to the start odds. Okay, you'll find that there is an entry system. Okay, there's an entry system, and there are a lot of options. So so just complete those tasks and you'll be getting corresponding entries, and you based on these entries you'll be getting shares. And yes, your shares are your tokens. Your shares determines your tokens. So these are the basic tasks. Okay, you can just complete this on by only 10 minutes. Okay, uh, so make sure to participate, and yeah, you'll be getting tokens, and yeah, later you can earn more. So these are the ongoing startup events. Okay, so what we have covered so far. At first we actually we actually read that post on Gatehouse, new milestone of GT token. Okay, so yes, congratulations to Gate.io, and yes, GT will. Let's hope GT will make new ADH very soon. Okay, and later we talked about Tevaera. We introduced what is Tevaera and what is going on in this project. Okay, and after that we actually discussed what is Gateway startup for just for the beginners, those who are new to Gateway or those who are newcomer here. Okay, so we introduced Gateway startup to them. Okay, what is Gateway startup, what is GT holder exclusive, what is startup prime, what is pre-order. Okay, so we discussed everything, and later we actually discussed that how you can actually participate in startup, get a startup. Okay, so pretty basic visual tutorial here. Okay, then we read the official announcement. Okay, so we found many things interesting, and later on we visited the official, I mean, Tevaera website. Okay, and the token contract as well. Then we read the white paper and found so many interesting things. Okay, and laterly we discussed the startup updated rules and VIP rules. Okay, uh, after that we introduced the startup referral carnival. Okay, and yes, through referring you can earn stars, and by swapping stars you can get shares of VIP free airdrop. So these are the simple things, and lastly we introduced ongoing startup events. That's it, and I think we did a wonderful review here today. So yeah, and thanks to you guys for joining the stream. Okay, those who are from the beginning, congratulations. And yes, I hope you guys are happy today as it is a Friday. Okay, so see you guys soon, and yeah, I'm closing the stream. And yeah, in case you guys don't know, I actually conduct market analysis sessions on my streaming profile. You'll find that. Okay. So if you follow, yes, you can actually join the live streams. And yeah, 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 you guys can get benefits. Definitely can get benefits. So that's it, guys. And I'm closing the stream and see you guys soon. And yes, you all are welcome to my upcoming streams. Okay. So I'm closing the stream. Goodbye. Ta ta.